What is up, you guys? It is me, Tanishia, and I am back with another video. Hey, girl. Hey. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. We are happy you are here. If you are not new here, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate you for your support. But we got a new girl. So we're just going to jump right into this video. As usual, this is a Love Me Hair wig. This is Love Me Hair's Water Wave Pixie Cut wig. This is a glueless minimalistic lace wig. This is a HD lace. It is short and curly because we know the spring in the summertime is for the curly girls. And we love a good curl. So with starting out with our curly girl season, we are going to go short because I know a lot of us don't like to wear long hair, especially when it's hot outside. You just don't want all of that. Or you just might be one of those nice little sophisticated ladies that just want something short and sweet. We gotcha. So this is what the curls are giving. This wig is 6 inches, so it is not long at all, which is perfect, like I said again, for the women who do not like all the extra hair everywhere and just, you may be going through the change and you just can't take all that heat. So this wig would be perfect for that. Or if you just like a little short, cute style, something that is not much to work on, this is the perfect wig for that. Now let's get into the cap. This wig is a minimalistic wig, which means you don't get a lot of lace for the ladies who don't have time to be playing with all of that. So you get this good little C part, which means also that you cannot change your part in the wig. So no, you cannot switch the side of where your part is. This is where it is. This is where she will stay. And it's no fuss and extra stuff about that. This is a basic cap construction. It is nothing fancy. This is not an all-day comfort. This is not a natural max, pre-max. This is just the basic cap construction of what a wig would typically look like when you get it with the weft sewn on. But it still should be comfortable because the inside of it is a little stretchy and all that good stuff. We do have our combs. We do have 3. You get 2 on the sides and then 1 in the back for extra security. So that is a plus for us. But all in all, it's minimalistic. It's just a wig that you can put on and you don't have to do a lot of work to. You can just put it on and keep it moving. This is HD lace, which means that the lace is super sheer, super thin, and it gives scalp. So as you can see right here, our parting section is on the left, which I like mine on the right, but it's okay because we're going to make it do what it do, baby. To put her on is very simple. All you have to do is make sure that your band is inside your wig. Your wig will not come with the band inside. This is a removable band. So you will have to look inside your box or inside your wig when you get to put it inside. And that's one of the things I love, because if you do have a bigger size head, then you don't necessarily have to put this in there. Also, they have adjustable straps that are in the back so that you can adjust it to the tightness that you like. I usually put mine like right up under my combs, but all you have to do with this wig is just put it on, adjust your bands, put it on. If you want to wait till you put it on to adjust your bands, either way you like to do it, and whatever is comfortable for you is whatever your preference is. But this is what the wig is given for the girls who like a shortcut. This is how the wig looks straight out of the box. So this is what the back looks like. This wig is really, really soft. I do like that about this wig. The softness of this wig is like butter. It is really soft. But we finna go in and do a little adjusting because, baby, it's giving auntie. And no offense to all my aunties out there, but I'm not there yet. I'm not ready. So we're gonna go in and do a little bit of cleaning up So what all I do to all my curly wigs is I go ahead and I brush the original curls out. And as you can see, my brush is not getting snagged in the wig. My brush is not getting snagged in the wig. It's not getting hooked. And surprise, surprise, it's not a lot of shedding coming out of this wig as well. I just like the buttery smoothness of this. And it looks really natural too as well. Like the texture of it is giving a natural looking texture. But yeah, go through. This is what I do. But if you want to keep it how it originally is straight out of the box, you can. Because nothing is wrong with that look, to be honest. For the ones who know how to make it do what it do. And you put on your makeup or whatever you do. Yeah. So just go through. Brush all those cute little curls out. I may move my part just a little bit because you can move your part inside of that little parting area. But, well, I may just not even have one at all. I don't know yet. But all in all, you go in and you can brush out those curls. So before I get too impulsive and start doing anything crazy, I will say I do like how the brush out look looks. It is really, really cute, really fluffy. And when it comes to short hair, I do kind of like a little bit of big hair. But what I do when I tell y'all that this is not a style that I would typically go for, so I'm switching it up along with y'all. But I am going to do a little bit. I'm not going to get too drastic with it, but I am going to get into some things to make it look as though I want it to look the way I want it to look. So I'm making the style fit me. And this is where I always come in and tell y'all, wear the wig, don't let it wear you. So first things first, what I would do is I'm not going to wet anything first. I'm not going to go into the wetting. I'm going to show y'all how to style it straight out of the box. So what I would do is I would slick this down right here and put all of this behind my ear. That would be my first thing. Slick at least this little portion down, have this out, but slick it down and put it behind my ear so that it does give a little bit of a realistic look. And next, I'm not typically a baby hair girl, but I feel as though this look will need a little bit of baby hair. So I am going to cut those into the wig because I just got to make it fit how I look. Because going straight out, I probably wouldn't even look at this wig twice. But I'm going to go in and then cut a little bit of baby hair. Something that's not too short, but not too long. Not too drastic either so that it looks crazy. I want it to be sort of a natural baby hair look. So I'm going to go in with my hot comb. And, oop, it ain't even hot. Hold on. Okay, we're back. So now I'm going to move a little bit of this out the way. And I'm going to make this go down just a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with this little pencil by Red Kiss. This pencil straightener. And I'm just going to flip this under like that. Make it look a little natural around this part of my head. May have to put a little bit of gel on it or something, but now I'm going in with a little bit of my Nairobi foam to kind of like sit that down a little bit to kind of mold it a little more outside of what we did with the pencil straightener. And I'm not real good with baby hair, y'all. Just so y'all know, I'm not an expert at baby hairs. So some of y'all may do a little bit better than me when it comes to this portion. Or if you just don't like baby hair at all, don't put it. But again, this is something that I think will look cute on me. So we doing it today in this video for this look. Oh Lord. It's a lot. But I don't want too much. I just want something for it to blend with the look. So I'm gonna keep working on this because I know y'all ain't gonna want to sit here and watch me play with my baby hair for 20-30 minutes. So, but look at this. Now I haven't put any makeup on this lace. I haven't done anything of the nature, and you can't even tell that this is not my hair. So I like that when it comes to this wig. I like how they got the lacing the way that they do. I like how they got the lace lacing the way that they do. It's real. This is tea. So that is a plus for me when it does come to this wig, because we don't pay all this money for our lace to be looking like lace. Okay, so now I got the baby hairs under control. Like, okay. All right. So this is the look after the baby hairs are under control. We have brushed our wig out. This is that look. It is very, very beautiful. Very, very comfortable. While I was waiting for everything to get back to where it was, I took some pictures. So here are those. But all in all, I will say I do like this wig. I was scared of this wig because of how short it was and how I thought it would make me look. But I can't let that control me because, baby, this look is eating. This look is eating. This will be one of those looks that I would definitely put on if I was like going to like a tea party or something like that and had one of those cute little dresses to actually put on with it. I'm starting to go outside a little more. So this may be in my itinerary to actually put on when I get ready to go to one of those events. Something cute, simple, elegant, sweet, all of that stuff. I love this look. I love this look. I love this look so much that I really and truly, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I really don't even want to wet the hair right now. Like, I really don't even want to get into that. Y'all, I like this look. I'm gonna think about if I want to wet it. I'm gonna think about it. I'm gonna go run some errands and stuff and then come back and see if I want to wet it and then let y'all see how the wet look goes. But I gotta go outside with this look right now because we never know. When you wet it, you may not get those box curls back. That's the only truth and reality to it. So I'm gonna go do what I need to do. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna wet the girls for you guys once I come back from being outside with this look right here. Because this is cute. This is really cute. The camera is really doing it no justice, and it's really pissing me off because my camera is really doing no justice for how the wig looks in person. It looks so much better in person, and it feels so good. If somebody was to, the only way that somebody would know, and it's probably because I don't have on a cap, but you really can't tell in the camera. The only way that somebody would not even know that this wasn't your hair is if they was all up on you, all in your shit. Excuse my French, but if they was all in your personal space, that's the only way. And then too, I wouldn't even think that they would know outside of probably looking too much inside of your part. Other than that, this one is good. This is a good wig. This is a good wig. I was a little nervous at first, but this is cute. This is cute. Okay, so we are going to get into wetting Miss Girl, because wetting Miss Girl is definitely cute. And I'm glad I decided to do this because I didn't think it was going to turn out this good, but she is looking good. I wish I had my other water bottle because this one ain't continuously spraying out like it's supposed to. She ain't doing what she's supposed to be doing. And I don't like that, but it's okay. Oh, this is cute. Oh my goodness. This is definitely cuter than what I thought it was going to turn out to be. I'm not even going to lie to y'all. I didn't think it would turn out this cute. So after we have wet our curls, we're going to go in with a little mousse. I like to use Nairobi. This is one of my favorites. So I use this to kind of keep my curls, keeping that juicy, nice little luster to it, that wet look. Sometimes you can go in with the gel, but because the texture of this hair and I like how it feels, I really don't want to put any gels to like harden the hair. So I'm just going to put my little Nairobi on here. Hopefully we keep the wet look. Um, but this is really cute. Really, really cute. I'm really feeling this. I am glad I wet it. The other style was like really cute, but this right here is cute. So that is it. That is all for this video. If you guys like what you see and you're ready to switch it up a little, razzle dazzle, and you want to see what you look like with a haircut, but you don't want to really cut your hair off, this is definitely the wig to try. Playing with this wig, I have really and truly fallen in love. And y'all probably gonna see a lot of pictures with this wig in the summertime because this is really cute. And I plan on start putting on some clothes. Like today, I got up and got dressed to feel and look good. And then it ended up being cold outside. But it's okay. It's all right. We got a do-over coming soon. But that's all for this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you like my content. If not, just be a dear and like and comment or whatever you want to do. I'm grateful for it all. Lastly, the information to this wig will be in my description box as well as my comment section. So make sure you go there, click the link. When you click the link to get Miss Girl here, make sure you use coupon code Tanishia to save you a coin, because we like to save a coin over here. So make sure you do that. And you guys stay tuned. Turn on those post notifications, those push notifications, so you know when I upload a video, because y'all know I'm very sporadic and we have a lot of wigs to go through before we hit the summertime. So that's it. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.